we should be live again, and I hope now it doesn't mess up. So what we could do is we are now finally we have the models in our local um, um, environment. So you can see over here started the snapshot for model A and the model B. Now what we're going to do is quick folder verification run in the current window. Um, you want to make sure you see the dir. So you can see that. Let's see. Okay. Let me go ahead and run these. If those exist, continue. So let me just copy all of this and just paste it one by one. Okay, I don't know what happened here. Okay, I was not supposed to run like that, so I'll just copy. All right, and then paste it. So you can see this one. Then you can see the logs. I have a feeling everything exists. Like, I don't know why I'm supposed to be doing this. Okay, because it does not exist. All right, so we got the logs not existing. Okay, this is what I get. Mm-hmm. Uh, this is expected, not an error. Nothing is wrong. You're exactly where you want to be. Important clarification. This trips up a lot of people. The logs directory is not created by init. It is created only when you start Cloud Code for each model. Okay. Open two separate PowerShell windows. Do not reuse the same window. Start model A. This creates. Okay. So open up another PowerShell window. Can we rename the window? Rename tab. I'll say model A. All right. And then we can open up another one and we'll call this one as rename tab model B. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Um, start model A. This creates logs model 1. Okay, so PowerShell window 1. Oh, you should be in this particular folder first. So um, go to the PowerShell window. And yeah, first we're going to be inside this particular folder. Environment. Okay, I don't know. We're running these commands, so let's see. Um, all right, so paste anyway. So we got this and run. Okay, we got a Claude issue. So let's see. Um, it prompted select option 2 Anthropic. Okay. As soon as Claude opens, this is what I get. Do we get any Claude API account provided? Provided by Murder. I hope it doesn't end up billing to us. Well, let's see. Okay, check one. You're right. You're right to pause here. Two things that are happening and both are normal. What Cloud is not recognized. This simply means Cloud Code CLI is not installed or not on your path. Corrigo does not auto-install Cloud Code for you. You must install it once. Okay. You will not be billed personally. Corrigo provides manage Anthropic access to this project. That's why the instructions say Anthropic console account, ABI usage billing. Do not buy credits. Okay, Merker's organization covers usage. You're just authenticating and you will not be asked for a credit card if anything is done correctly. All right, so first of all, let's install Cloud Code CLI, Windows official way. So we install Node.js. Um, First check this one if it exists. So check here, it does exist. If you're not found, then you download that, and then after that you do this thing. You do npm install globally Anthropic AI Cloud Code. So it's going to install this thing for us. After when it's installed, we verify the installation. Um, okay, I was not supposed. I think it is. So yeah, so we got Claude as well. You should see something like that. All right, start model 1 correctly now. So we just run this bunch of commands. So we first of all make sure we're in that particular directory. Um, so let's see. So we go here to this. directory model one. Um, Claude. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to first of all check we're in the Model A. Yeah, we are. We give null to these API keys and token authentication. So going back here, paste that. Oh man, why? Like when I do multi-line, it really creates an issue. So I think single line is better. Going back, going forward. Okay. All right. So this one, then this one. It's not convenient like that. Okay, and then we have Claude. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's so cool. Welcome to Claude Code 2 dark mode. Okay, dark mode. What in the world is this? When prompted, right now I'm getting these options. That's crazy. Dark mode. Okay. Um, when prompted, what do you have to choose? Um, Cloud account with subscription. Okay. Anthropic console account. Um, when prompted, you will see something like this. Choose option 2. Do not buy credits. Do not pay. Enter payment information. Just authenticate. Okay, we have to just check option 2 over this. So we'll go here, Anthropic console account. Okay, goes to this thing. I would perform this login information here. Yeah, let's go with our account. I think so. All right. Um, I think it should like bring us back here. Paste code if okay. What type of account? All right. So yeah, I think we're live now. It should be. Now, what I'll say here is that I was given a mhm, I was given a Windows URL that made me sign in to Claude using my personal Gmail, and now it asks this. Uh, okay, select individual. Do not. Okay. All right. All right. All right. So let's go back here. Individual. Okay. Cloud code. Would like to connect to your Anthropic according to the individual account. All right. Authorize. Generate API keys on your behalf. Oh, look. This is why we were not supposed to do. Okay. This is what I'm getting now. Ah, man. You're in the wrong login flow. You would build, not you. Okay. In the terminal window, you would go and exit. So, all right. Claude logout. I wanna like put this in like a side. See if I could put it over here. That's gonna be much more convenient. All right. So, let's see. It's all the way down now. Claude logout. Okay. I don't know why. Uh, No exit. All right. All right. If that command doesn't work, then do this one. All right. This is what I'm getting. Claude may read right. Perfect. This is exactly where you want it to be. Now you're on the correct non-billing. Okay. Yes, proceed. Okay. Okay. This is what I'm getting. How do I know that I'm not getting billed for this? And you made the right thing by stopping and logging out. Uh, at the big managed login. Cloud is warning you because worker requires only the managed login, not a token. This is common on Windows. Easy pick. Clean reset. Do this exactly. Close all PowerShell windows. Yes. Open a fresh PowerShell. Normal user, not admin. Run these commands exactly. Invalid syntax. Set X for usage. Now close the PowerShell. Alright, so this is what I'm getting. This is what I get with the new PowerShell. Non-admin. This is Windows set it not scary. On Windows requires the value when it's empty. Do this exactly. Just put a what's it called? An empty character, and then this one. Uh, Specified value was saved. It's intentional. It clears the variable safely. Close all PowerShell windows. All PowerShell. This important environment variables update only after restart. So close this. Close this. Close all these PowerShell windows. I mean, I'm gonna close everything actually, so that it doesn't influence anything. All right. So now that we have done that, open a new PowerShell and verify they're cleared. Um, PowerShell. What in the world was that? PowerShell. I'm gonna put on the right. Just echo the Anthropic API key. Both should print nothing. If they show anything, stop and tell me. Okay, start cloud cleanly. Now go to the same folder. So have time for think we get more time. I'm running. I've cloned both models locally. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in this particular folder and I'm gonna run Claude. Let's see. Okay, dark mode. Declare custom API key in your environment. Okay, this is what I'm getting. The screen is exactly safely, and you're doing everything right. This is what it means exactly. Should bill you. Press 2. No. Cloud can make mistakes. Okay, press enter to continue. Okay. Man, what the heck? Do not choose yes. It tells Claude. Ignore any personal API key. Use manage Anthropic console access. Route usage through the marker instruction hooks. What should happen next after that? You press 2. Claude code opens normally. No credit billing balances. You see a normal Claude prompt. A session log is created automatically. Immediate. Okay, this is the money fig. Open another PowerShell and run this. Okay, how many PowerShells you want me to open, man? And I can see Claude code is running now. Mm, I'm just gonna copy this one. Alright, so I see model mode. You must see model A. You'll see model B once you open Claude in model B. If model A exists, session is tracked correctly. And this is the command logs. Okay, length name. The next steps, do not skip. Start model B the same way. Open up a second PowerShell. Open up it here. Um, Go to this model B folder and run Claude here. Okay, Claude code must read right. Okay. Uh, Execution allowed by settings dot. Um, See the same API key warning. I see this for model B. Man, why in the world? This is exactly right. You're not fully on the safe. You're not fully on the safe. No one billing. Okay, press enter, which is yes, proceed. Okay, now we're in this one. Opus. Opus 4.5. You want to do right now? Press 1. Enter. Yes, proceed. Okay, this is only trust prompt. This is your local trust prompt as Claude Code can read, write files in Model B, run markers, logging, hooks, capture transcripts for payments. It has nothing to do with billing. Next, after you press 1, Claude Code opens for Model B, a session file is created. Logs Model B appears automatically. Final safety very, very important. So go another PowerShell. Open another PowerShell and run the command. So I'm going to go to PowerShell. And I can see over here both logs are existing. If you see both marker logs are active, both sessions are being tracked, you're not being billed. Except once confirmed, start the task. Paste this as the first message to the Model A. And I'm gonna go do this for the other one too. Okay. Text line 16 plus. I don't know what the heck is this. Okay, so let's see this. Paste. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here. And I'm gonna run this one as well. Finagling. Paste exact as the first message and paste this as the first message in Model A. Copy paste exactly. Paste the same message as the first message in Model B. From here on, do not break these. Do not open extra Claude sessions. Do not use model. close terminals without exit, 10 plus meaningful turns per model, 1 billion hours per model, capture real quotes for 3 plus behavioral issues, I mean, online comment, whatever, and checking logs, reply with both models trusted. Logs folder shows model A and model B. I didn't give my payment info. Like, did I even give it? I closed this out, so yeah. You check your task and ensure your quality is there and behave. I am currently working and on. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I mean, if you look at the CMDs, this is what I get from the other PowerShell. Um, this is what I get from Model A PowerShell. hmm Now you're going. Now you know you're not being billed. The environment variables are blank. You printed them and they're empty. The cloud shows API usage billing, not buy credits. You did not enter a card or buy credits. Marker logging is active. That's the correct marker flow. Next commands. All right. Next, approve commands. See if they do this now. Model 1 up find the model A prompt. Find the go command, choose yes, and model B prompt. Find the go version and choose yes. And don't ask again for go version commands. This reduces spam prompts and keeps your turns meaningful. Then run the same test or discovery workflow in both models. Send this next in model A. It runs the command. B version run a go test command that is likely to surface. Okay. These models ask permission to go. Mm, have 20 minutes, 15 more minutes left before the sprint ends. Should I pause here and wait for when the next sprint starts to work on this? I don't want to work and get no money. You're thinking correctly, and this is the right design. Stop working immediately. Do not run more commands. Do not continue prompting the models. You're not late, and you haven't done anything wrong. Um, the partial work is nothing, right? So per model, you read the setup, rework note setup, 10 plus meaningful turns per model. Submission must be complete and usable. With only 15 minutes left, you cannot hit the required. You must save and finish the task. You risk burning this task ID with an incomplete in progress logs without submission. By pausing a safe and smart setup is already correct. This is the hardest part. Logs existing does not obligate. You haven't submitted anything. Progress does not know. Uh, in both sessions, just type exit. Okay. Alright, so I'll just say exit. Okay. Just gonna go do the same thing. See ya. Okay. Wait until the cloud finally exits back to PowerShell, then you close the terminal. Do not close the window without exit. Next sprint. Create a new task directory. Do not use what? Run both models fresh. Work a full one. Your environment access and cloud setup will be already installed. For exactly this video. Probably with just one line after you hang up. So I need to create a new task ID in Airtable and then fill up everything two setup finishes. Two setup finishes. Okay, via usage billing. Even though might be a key in that trust folder when it does the one. In your first real problem, the big fix up the flaky go test. Setup post cloning does not count. Um, reading docs does not count. Idle time does not count. Only active cloud interaction time matters. What matter expects per model. 1.5 hours active work. 10 meaningful turns. Real commands run. Okay. Uh, so, um, 1.5 hours active work and 10 meaningful turns, real commands run, real debugging, at least 3 behavioral issues captured, task pushed to completion or reasonable failure. This usually takes for 2 hours total if done calmly. Payment logic very low, you'll get paid as it's a minute, okay. What did you did? Right today, stop before deadline, didn't rush, submission didn't corrupt task metadata, got all setup issues, learn the tooling without a risk. You put, oh, laptop plugged in, press focus, no last minute rushing. Make this into a sentence saying I did this. Uh, Alright, we're just gonna pause the stream then. We might continue on the next one. So, thank you for watching, whoever did.